My country people, wetin take dey happen for obodo naija, like what is happening? Police officers wey we think say na dem like this suppose protect their own citizens, na dem suppose stand for citizens behind, come dey protect their lives. E come be like na dey wan collect the lives out of the citizens. But before we want to talk about that, you're welcome to this YouTube channel, K&G TV, for another celebrity news and social media wahala. If na the first time this way dey stop for this channel, or you dey come across my YouTube video, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. May God bless you as you set into the building. So my people, the matter wey me bring and come today, no be one way take the sweet like that. Now matter wey take the for social media, and it don't call a lot of alarm as per wetin take dey happen. This man wey una take dey see for on a screen like this way come put on police officer uniform. He don't come brutalize these two ladies for checkpoints. Una sabi say we don dey see videos, we don dey see how posted dey perambulate for social media, where e get say if police officer come act like that, come ask you one or two things, you come get everything complete, or maybe you just come dey make mouth to and some kind. They sabi just dey give am for your body, like it na so this police officer, as per wetin dey take talk, my people, he can't use it gun wey take get for body, come put am on top this lady's body. Now so the ladies could not take it. Now they see how another one take the bleed profusely for mouth. Now there these two ladies say no, if na finish us, you go take finish us right now. So my people, when this matter come out to social media, a lot of people come they react like, Oga officer, what's happening? Shebi they say police is your friend. What is happening? You're supposed to protect these people, but you are doing the opposite of it. My people, me don't tire for Bodo Nigeria. I don't know where to take the happen. Because even if they carry this matter to go station like that, it go come die low on that key, like on that key, low key go take finish like that. What of the family we take day now? And it talk this matter because it's not only about this particular video I go leave on make una watch am. Another video the way it take show how police officer it don't parabulate somebody's husband, as it don't panabit the husband. They can't leave the husband there for the family for can't take care of him. Now the family don't collect their member, they just they work a hospital to hospital. They can't go operate am. Now the man in heads they do like one man we don't colo, like he don't mad finish. And according to what his wife they talk, they just wed, as in just wedded couple. Now police officers do this kind of thing like that. But people, I don't know what to take to happen. I don't know what to they play, like what is happening. I go leave the video, so just truly I go leave the video where una take they see how this officer take they brutalize these two ladies like that. And the one where that wife for the man where they take give them like panabit body, he can't ask, can't cry, say make una can't help am more. Say you don't know where to go to. Say even can't go DPO office. Say DPO office can't tell and say make she go tell Buhari, as in make she go tell the person like we don't care. Now because they ask ourselves like, police officers who are meant to protect their citizens, police officers who are supposed to stay there like that, to make say law and order there for the country. Now them by themselves, they can't scatter everything. They can't panabit their own students' body put for down. The matter can't do one kind of say no, I suppose bring her out here. May all of us take see by ourselves, may all of us take comment, take talk what you think about the whole matter. I go leave on the video for you. Make una see by una self. Make una write for comment section what you think about all of this police brutality. Upon say people don't come out, come parade, come protest against her, it still they pop up anyhow. If you not like the video, my people, make you not forget to give the video a thumbs up. Make you not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, to turn on your post notifications, so that whenever I upload a video, you go be amongst the first to be notified. I will see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. One love.
Leave me! My wife! Leave me! Leave me! My Leave me! Dimo, Mabo!
See, as a police officer, in fact, he's beating a woman and destroying his hand.
Hey, policeman, see me! See my
Look
leg!
at police officer. Where's the number? Where's the number? Let me start the number.
See my wife!
Where's the number?
Don't go anywhere! See my wife!
Yes.
See my wife!
Look at the police.
I'm the wife, Sandra Broderick. This is what police did to me, police brutality. People should come to my aid. They beat up my husband. The people, policemen for B division. One of them is Felix Esezobo, the other one Felix, and the other one name is Ndubisi. 3 of them, and police, they are hiding them. The DPO told me that they are from B division, but now they are hiding them. We spent almost 5 million to take off my husband. We did a brain surgery, feeding, everything. The keke has been riding. They took it from him. They went to park it at filling station instead of taking it to the police. And they were not even on duty that day this thing happened. They were not on duty. After, someone followed them, they are close to the police station at B Division Avenue. It's to B Division Avenue. They went to change their uniform, beat up my husband, left him from 7 till 9 when somebody rescued him and called me with his phone before we rushed him to Central Hospital, Warri. There was vomiting blood. When I mean blood, raw blood was coming out from his mouth and his nose. From there, we transferred to Lily. Lily said the operation there was expensive. We had to go to another hospital, Bryant, where God helped us. And when we did the operation, this is him. His thing is affecting his brain. He's behaving somehow. And he's the breadwinner of this home. We just got married not long. People should help us. People should help us. Well, the police, maybe because I don't have any backbone, I don't know anybody. They have been doing the matter here and there to Asaba till now. Nothing, not even a penny from the B division, not even a penny from the DPO, not even a penny from police, nothing. They left it all for us, saying they can't hide. They will bring them out. They will do this. They went there. They said they are not there. Whether they've released them, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I don't really know. They left my husband like this. People can see him. People can see him.
So who did you go and report to now?
I went to DPO. Me and my mother-in-law, my father-in-law went there. He identified them as Ndubisi and Felix. And Felix Esezobo. I don't know which of them they are hiding now. They are not bringing anybody out. The DPO said I can go to Buhari if I like. I'm asking them what's their surname of these people. They are hiding them. And they said I should go to...
Did you report to human rights?
I went to human rights. I came to human rights to report to them.
That is a committee for defense of human rights.
Yes, at Deco Road. They are the one that have been taking up the matter, looking for them and running a skater with me.